everybody at all times has a right to defend yourself. But that doesn't mean you get to use disproportionate force. So even if we imagine a situation where Mr. Metcalf is being the aggressor, if you sort of steelman Mr. Anthony's position here, give him the benefit of all doubts, right? It was raining. He wanted to get out of the rain. This was the closest tent. He just sat down quietly in the corner. Forget about the fact that he brought this knife with him. He just had good intentions about everything from the very beginning. In Mr. Metcalf, the deceased here, let's ascribe the worst possible situation to him. He gets upset. He's a white guy who doesn't like black guys. He's spewing out racial insults. And then let's just say he lays hands on a very peaceful Mr. Anthony, right? And starts forcibly moving him out of the tent. Now, she could have done anything else but lay hands on Mr. Anthony. But let's say he lays hands on Mr. Anthony. All we got so far is an aggressor who's using ordinary physical force. And what do I mean by ordinary physical force? The kind of force that is not likely to lead to either death or a serious bodily injury or serious physical injury, as it's sometimes explained in the statute. Do we have that? We got a fist fight here between two guys that are probably roughly equal. They're the same age. They're both athletic. You could see the pictures. They look roughly the same size. Now, of course, you start changing that, right? One guy's 300 pounds and the other guy's 150 pounds. That might lead to a different conclusion. But all you got so far is an aggressor who is using ordinary physical force. If you take that stage that I just set, then Mr. Anthony is absolutely entitled to defend himself with ordinary physical force. That means he can stand up and punch Mr. Metcalf in the face. He can push him back. He can get into a physical struggle with him. You don't get to pull out a knife and stab the guy in the heart. That is deadly physical force. You are bringing deadly physical force to repel an imminent threat of ordinary physical force, and that is disproportionate. And even if you have a right to defend yourself here, you lose that, and you are responsible and criminally accountable if, in the way you defend yourself, you use deadly physical force in response to an ordinary physical force threat.